Hollywood's night of glamour turned into a day of disaster. Coincidence? Or something more sinister? One of the strangest stories you'll hear just one day before the devastating California fires, the Golden Globes celebrated the best of Hollywood. The host, a comedic actress, made a bizarre joke. The staff got 13 votes, the mothers got 3 votes, and God, 0. She laughed, the audience laughed, even The Rock was in stitches. But less than 24 hours later, Los Angeles was in flames, North Carolina, a disaster zone, Lahaina, under ashes. California, the richest state, reduced to rubble. Theft and looting skyrocketed, homelessness exploded. Hundreds of thousands of wealthy Americans lost everything struggling to survive. Was it a coincidence or an omen? Hollywood was laughing, but the next day the world cried. And that's the chilling tale of Hollywood's party before disaster. What do you think? Coincidence or something more sinister? Comment below.